praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
So I'm there with Sam, I don't really know what I'm doing.
So I'll show you step one in what you do.
I'll drive out and wait there.
Alright. We'll let him go past because he's got some speed cracking. Alright. Now.
So you're about to learn that I know nothing.
What?
You're about to learn that I know nothing.
Alright. So you're gonna go flat foot, tip it in right, and then once the car starts steering itself. Oh, perfect! What the fuck? Alright, let off. Let him know he's almost crashed. Let him go. That's definitely don't crash into that fella. Alright, for here, flat foot. Flick right. Right, wait, slow down a little bit and accelerate, flick. Perfect. That's how you do a loop-to-loop. Just on fake.
60.
We'll try to lap this one time. Yep, now let go, let the car drive itself. Don't do too much driving. Yep, perfect. Oh, big baking boys. Right, now back right. We'll go around the wall. Yep. Right, we won't crash into that. That's cool then.
It does every time. So guys, I've actually made it around a corner this time. Whether or not I almost died, it's okay.
So this one, we'll cruise up on the right side. Alright. And then no, keep on here. Right. And then go left, accelerate, right.
So that didn't work too well.
Because the counter steer wasn't there early enough. So you gave a lot of carry, but you gotta let the steering wheel drive itself. Right, so ready and flow. Perfect.
Nice. So as you can see, I've managed to stall an automatic.
It happens when you go backwards when it's in drive.
Probably not the best idea, but
all the way right, flat foot. Let go of the steering wheel.
See, flat foot does not work.
But the trick is once you get about 3/4 into the lock, you gotta sort of let off the throttle a little bit and let the steering wheel sort of find its way with how much throttle you've got down. So that's what you call understeer. That is, you threw the car really hard, really fast, and your back wheels weren't going out, your front wheels were just getting pushed along. Alright. Stop lock light. That's not good. Alright, go on the left side, let him pass.
Oh, okay.
Well, he'll go around that way, because he'll let him cruise. Oh no, we've got free track. Right now, flat foot, right side. Left, yep. Perfect! Right, load off. Alright, and you're on too fast. Alright, now flat foot. Almost 360. Right, now steer through here and then go left. Yep. So flat foot, and flat foot.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my attempt at drifting around a track. I did my best. I spun it a few times, but I'm slowly beginning to get the gist. Next week we'll be back with David. He is coming out of recovery, but he's able to drive and he is tracking well, so we'll be doing some fun stuff next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on Tuesday.